Hey everyone, real quick, we're about to head out to South Boston to pick up my car so I can make my debut in the Hornets. So just figured I'd save this real quick and then we'll probably roll a little bit of footage before we get there. But thanks for tagging along with us with this really short vlog. Be with you in a few.
Oh my god. Benji's going around and screwing with all the donkeys. Come here.
I decided to tie those if we get the ticket. You got the money in your pocket, ain't you? First right, dude. Freshen up there.
Oh Lord. Alright everyone, so we're back from South Boston. Obviously we have a new asset with us here on the channel. So yeah, it was about a 3-4 hour ordeal, not just going to South Boston, but you know, went to grandma's afterwards, got some food, you know. Definitely a good night for me. Gives you a break from school and some other stuff, but we got us a car now. Also, figured we'd introduce you to this car. It's a backup of sorts. So I think my brother intends to get this one running later on. But yeah, right now we got a new car. Hopefully we'll be racing it in a month or two. But yeah, we'll keep y'all updated on this, but figured I'll make a short little segment. Probably a couple more things lined up in this video, but thank y'all for watching and everything. But yeah, have some more footage going, but yeah, thanks for watching everybody. Really quickly, I'm going to thank my brother for helping me get the car here. He's going to bully me more if I don't thank him somehow. I left him out in the Facebook post, so thank you. Don't bully me. Sounds like a tractor.
Something's wrong with it, man.
What?
Something's wrong with it. It's not supposed to sound like that. It's skipping, backfiring.
Yeah.
Stay running.
It don't take a genius to think that sounds bad. That sounded like trash almost. Don't sound so bad now. Over here. The air thing's still on there. Oh. I'm probably stringing this video out with dumb stuff, but just, you know, we're sorting out both of the race cars. But yeah, like I said, it's a lot of filler. Like I said, it's a lot of filler right now, so I'm not going to do too much fancy editing, so sorry if this seems boring. Stop! two straight pipe Cavaliers. Take that. Yeah, we have two straight pipe cars that probably cost as much as your exhaust mods. Alright, yeah, I was wondering if you want me